In this, for this recipe, you would need a package of gingerbread cookies. So I picked this up at the grocery store. So you need one of these from this brand. I hope you guys can see that. Cookie cutters, because it said cookie cutters, because it's gingerbread. A cup measure, something, because the recipe asks for water, so a cup measure. A 1/3 cup for butter, just like the cookie recipe, and some flour for the dough. You guys can see that. Some flour. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna mix the main ingredients into the bowl. So I have a large green bowl that I'm gonna put all the ingredients in because it's Christmas. Why not? It's the holidays. This is a Christmas video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first ingredient I have to add is melted butter. So 1/3 cup of melted. So I have my butter and I'm going to put it in my microwave, which is over there. So I'm going to open my microwave. I recommend you put your butter on this plate so if your butter spills, it goes on the plate. So in the microwave, I would say to put it on for 25 seconds. 5. Start. Okay, now, safety first. Make sure it's cooled down. And now I'm going to take it out of the microwave. You are welcome to use oven mitts if you want to protect yourself. But I'm not going to do oven mitts. Gently put it down. Close your microwave. Something like this. Okay, so now I have my dough. You guys can see that. So here's my dough. It's been sitting in the fridge for 5 minutes, or 5 minutes is good because here's my dough. Eat my So now I'm going to preheat my oven. To 350. Start. And now you can see it's preheating. So here is the first batch of cookies. So here is my cookies that will be going in the oven first. Okay, everybody, so now the gingerbread cookies are done. These are what they look like. Homemade gingerbread cookies, all ready for Christmas. Thumbs up for goodness. So now I'm going to pick one up because they're cool. Here's what they look like. Really, really tiny. So I hope you enjoyed making gingerbread. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.